Hello, today my team and I will be introducing the web page we created about a PHP framework called YII. Let me introduce my team members. I, Ransha, am the team leader for this project. Deshan, Osanda, and Pasindu handle the researching for the project. Kavishma, on the other hand, prepared a quiz regarding the framework. Nikini created the back-end programming for the web page, and with Shehan, who did the designing of the web page. If you're wondering what YII is a high-performance, component-based PHP framework for developing large-scale web applications rapidly. It enables maximum reusability in web programming and can significantly accelerate your web application development process. To know further about the framework, I'll hand over the rest of the presentation to Deshan.
I have researched about what is the YI framework and its technology, the purpose, its features, and the developer of YII, and how it's compared with other frameworks. While doing research, I had to face difficulty with finding contents directly from their main website. So I had to look for the alternative resources like LinkedIn and GitHub, etc. Also,
Thank you, Deshan. I was in charge of finding the image resources required for this project from the sources like Pixabay, Freepik, PNG Tree, etc. And also, like what Deshan explained before, I also helped him with comparing other computers like Laravel framework. From this comparison, YI framework performs much faster than the Laravel framework, and it does not require necessary tools for data migration as it has all included, unlike the Laravel framework. Only downside is that YII framework is more expensive when it comes to development cost. Next, Kavishma.
Thank you, Asanda. Just like Deshan and Asanda, I did a main role in researching. Other than that, I was in charge of the quizzes where I had to get an overall knowledge of the YI framework, and I did the preparation of making a MCQ which includes 10 questions. This quiz can help you to get a good knowledge about this framework.
Now I'll be explaining the backend part of the website. When making the HTML page, I had to make 5 different HTML codes for the 5 sections of this web page. All the 5 sections are linked to the navigation bar of the header. I have added a background and the pictures of the main page along with the text, including some of the features that explains the YII framework briefly. And in the main page, I have used division tags to separate the pages into 2 parts. In the About section of our web page, we have discussed what is YII and some features of YII and comparison with other PHP frameworks. So, in this section, we have used images and images that are linked to the lower section to scroll down, and headings, hyperlinks, paragraphs, and unordered and ordered lists and tables. In the quiz section, we have used a form including labels, text areas, and input tags. And finally, in both enhancements and contact us sections, we have added headings, paragraphs, and hyperlink tags.
Thank you, Nikini. I did the CSS part, which is also known as the designing part of the web page. Borders, margins, background colors, font, and font colors, element positioning are the most of the tags which has been included to the design of this web page. And each section, including paragraphs, headings, images, etc., had its own CSS code design. Animations are also included to improve the design look of the web page. And this is our final outcome.